I've just been chatting to people from the Wandering Motorhome Club who are coming on our group trip to Germany and Austria in October this year. And one of the things we were talking about was getting the environmental sticker, which is basically the Critter sticker for Germany. I've got the one for France, but I don't have one in Germany yet. And what I wanted to do was show you how many zones have been sort of sprouting up, and also then walk you through the process of getting the German Critter sticker. So if you want to find out what the regulations are like in any particular country across Europe, this is the website I use. It's urbanaccessregulations.eu. And then you just go to the schemes by country, select the one you want. Obviously, in this case, we're looking at Germany, and it will show you a map of all the different schemes that have sprung up around the country. Now you can zoom, I've zoomed out, sorry. You can zoom in to get more information. Now, so you used to be able to click on them to get more information, and you can't now, which is really annoying. Let me see if I can make it bigger. But unfortunately, it's not as user-friendly as it used to be. You used to be able to just click on, but you can see at least the colour. You've got low emission zones, and then you've got other access regulations and stuff like that in there. So this has led me to encourage everybody on the trip to get one of these German stickers, and I thought I'd walk you through the process on how you do it for your own vehicle. So here we go. This is the website that you order your German environmental zone sticker on. It's not particularly well worded, because when you read the initial thing, it says every vehicle registered in Berlin or another German registration office, even for a foreign vehicle. So this is the right page. It's just like I say, when you first read it, you think, okay. So let's work through this. So we want we want the registration number of my vehicle. I don't know. Please write a country code behind every registration number in parentheses. So I'm going to move off the space, and then I'm going to put UK in there. Guessing that's what they want. We'll find out. And then, right, let's do B5. That's the right one in there. Upload that, and then more. If you don't have Google Translate set up on your laptop, get it. It's brilliant. Right, so I'm going to fill in all my personal details. Oh, I'm a madame. How exciting. Make sure that your country... I'm going to go with this one. No idea why. Right, let's play with credit card. That's fine. And then payment will be processed on the next page. Have your account details ready. The payment link is valid for 30 minutes. You will return to the shop to finish your transaction. Okay. Continue to check out. Right, so you can't see this, but I've had the spaces in my card number. I'm not sure what bitter Wharton means. Please wait, I guess. There we go. Well, that was straightforward, wasn't it? It took, including me waffling and getting it wrong, it took 5 minutes. This is not a complicated process. So we'll see. I don't know how long it's going to take. It is, what are we on now? The 24th of July. So I will stick a note in the comments and tell you when it comes up. But yes, if you are going anywhere near Germany, then I highly recommend you do one of those. Right. I hope you found that useful. If you did, a thumbs up is always very much appreciated. And if you want to see more videos about motorhoming and road trips across the UK and Europe, then by all means hit subscribe. I will leave the link here to the France one, so if you need to get one of those as well, you can. It's very straightforward, just like this one was. You might also find this video helpful as well, and I'll see you on the next video. Take care. Bye.